Hello, my name is Kate. It's short from iPhone 21. This is my presentation. The used my glossary of Java with encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, and abstraction. For the abstract class product, the purpose is to show a blueprint for a product with common attributes and behavior. For the attributes, the name, the price, and the date. The constructor entry it initializes the above features. In the methods, get product abstract get used this the product represent in the concrete class product to the inheritance extend and the product to represent a specific product. In other words, it implements the get details to return a permitted thing or a product details. The class grocery assistant. The purpose is to manage the list of products and provide operations such as adding, viewing, and deleting products. Ang attributes natin ay sa products. Then, it extends the abstract product to represent a specific product that is the inventory. Ang method naman nito ay for the add products display. Um, it add the product to the list in control success via a console message. In the view product, it display all the products in the list. If the list is empty, it notify the user. Like, as the system at LL is no product available. For deleting product, it remove the product but share the specified name case insensitive from the list. Notify success or failure. Like this, the system asks the product deleted successfully or product not found. Main application Bill Browser app. The purpose is to provide the console-based user interface and control of the application flow. With attributes, an instance of Browser Assistant to handle product operation. Scanner object is to take user input. Sa method naman, start method. Display a menu with options, add product, view product, delete product, or exit. Handle user inputs and calls the corresponding methods based on the user sources. Keep running until the user source to exist. For the add product in 978, collects user input from product details by name, price, and dates. It adds a new product object to the inventory via the grocery assistant. It validates the input. Grocery ensures the price is numeric and all field view. For the delete product, It collects the name of the product to delete and invokes the standpoint delete product process. Ensures the input is not empty. Ang main method naman po nito ay it creates the Intrasoft Green Browser app and start the application by calling the start parenthesis method. Ang workflow sa startup nito ay the user sees a menu with number of options. Add product, view product, and delete product and action. And enter your choice. For the adding product, the user for the adding product, the user input the product name, price, and date. If valid, the product is added to the list and a success message is displayed. For the viewing product, the application lists or stored product or informs the user if no product exists. For the deleting product, the user specifies product name to delete or remove. If found, the product is deleted and a success message is shown. Please enter product name to delete. Ano mo basta ko na ay product delete successfully. For the key OOP concept encapsulation, the product data name, price, date is kept private, protected within the class and as access to controlled method. Inheritance. Product inherit from abstract product, sharing common field and behavior by providing specific implementation to get detail. For the abstraction, the abstract class abstract product is sharing common field and behavior by providing specific implementation to get detail. I mean the class abstract product defines the common interface for all products, hiding implementation details. Polymorphism. The glossary assistant can handle any abstract product object, allowing flexibility emanating different types of product.